When the first stay-at-home order was imposed in March, parts of Los Angeles were like a ghost town. 9 months on, the order's back, and things look a little different now. The farmers' market's open, with limited numbers, but in truth, the new rules are nowhere near as restrictive as last time. And even with case numbers breaking records this week,
so is that going to be it for you?
And then eggs.
Farmers like Greg think those rules go too far.
I don't think it's justified. Where have they justified it? Nowhere. Step back in a space shuttle and look down on the earth and see what's happening. They're destroying the economy.
Many of the farmers we spoke to agree, but their customers see it differently.
I have friends and family that are doctors and nurses, and I just wish people would wear a mask. It's not that hard. People in countries doing it right wore the masks and got on the other side, and we haven't done that yet.
Even if this helps for like a 0.001%, so be it. You know, if any little bit, if it helps that much, just wear the freaking mask.
So dramatic are the numbers here, so close are the hospitals to capacity that those orders have now been extended across California. But they're worried about two things: how bad it's about to get here and whether everybody will do as they're told. Where people are allowed to gather is at protests, this one against the stay-at-home order, and in particular a new ban on outdoor dining at restaurants.
We've all spent thousands and thousands of dollars to be compliant, and then to be shut down in this way. It's not just about the owners, but we have staff. My husband and I have 30 employees that we had to let go for the second time in 8 months.
That tension between the economy and health will only intensify. And having traveled the world as a virus hunter, this professor says America now faces a critical moment before a vaccine arrives.
History is going to, when they talk about the pandemic, they're going to write about this moment in history when we lost so many lives that we didn't need to, when this virus just spiraled out of control. That's what's happening.
But things like this haven't helped. 500 people who booked tests at this site were then told it would be closed for the day because a film crew was shooting a movie there. It was quickly reversed, but it caused confusion and was a reminder that there can't be business as usual when the spectre of a pandemic remains so real. Greg Milam, Sky News, Los Angeles.